This video will show you how to assemble and properly use a table dressing tool from Blick Industries. This tool is used to surface newly installed machines, machines that have been moved and need releveling, or machines with scratched, pitted, or worn table surfaces. The dressing tool consists of 5 main parts: a body, a screw, washer, cutting head, and cutting inserts. All these parts are assembled and mount on a customer-supplied standard 22 or 35 millimeter tool holder or cone. To assemble, place the body onto the tool holder, then the cutting head onto the body, washer into the cutting head, and then insert the screw into the assembly. Tighten the screw with the appropriate Allen wrench. The air fitting located on the side of the body is to pass water on machines that cannot operate with spindle water turned off. It allows water to come out the side of the tool and directs it down at the table. Next step is to install the Carbide cutting inserts into the cutting head. The Carbide cutting inserts have 4 cutting tips on them, allowing them to be rotated when dull. We recommend rotating the inserts every time a table is dressed. To install the inserts, loosen the screw using the included wrench. Note that these are left-handed screws, opposite from standard screws. Place the insert in the seat with the sharp edge towards the screw. Make sure it is seated properly, and then tighten. Repeat this process until all the inserts are installed. Note that some dressing tool models, like the one shown, come with Carbide shims already installed in the cutting head. These are only shims and are not used for cutting. Different variations of the dressing tools are available. When ordering, you will need to specify the body length, the bore diameter, which corresponds to the tool holder that you intend to use. 22 and 35 millimeter are available, and the screw size. 10 and 12 millimeters are the common sizes. Now that the dressing tool is assembled, you will have to create a program to tell your machine what to do. You may already have a program from when your machine was installed. If not, we recommend asking your machine manufacturer if they have a standard program they recommend. Shown here is a sample program used to dress the table of an Intermac Masterstone 4000 with the PVC table. This sample program is available on our website, blickindustries.com. For determining the proper Z height to dress the table, place the tool in the spindle and jog it to various locations on the table. Jog the Z axis down until the tool just touches the table. Record these Z heights, find the minimum, and subtract 1/4 millimeter. If you have any deep scratches or dents in your table, you may need to increase the cut depth. We recommend using a spindle speed of 4,000 RPMs and a feed rate of 2,000 millimeters per minute for PVC tables. For aluminum tables, start with the slower feed rate of 1,500 millimeters per minute. The depth of the cut should be no more than 0.5 millimeter, but at least 1/4 millimeter is recommended. At the first cut, check the table surface finish and adjust the feed rate if necessary. If you notice ridges or dish lines in the newly cut table, your spindle is out of alignment. Sharp ridges indicate that your spindle is off in the Y direction. Scallops without sharp edges indicate misalignment in the X direction. Contact your machine's manufacturer for more information on resolving these issues. Dressing your table should take about 2 hours depending on the size of the table. When finished, you should have a clean, smooth table ready for service.